Hello students, today we will learn IP words. So you can see over here that I have written few IP words. Our first word is SIP, sip. Sip means a small mouthful of anything is known as sip. When we take something in a small mouthful, we call that sip. Next is TIP, tip. Tip means the end point of anything. That means you can say the tip of a pen or tip of pencil, tip of bow, anything. Okay. Next is LIP, lip. You know what is lip? Lip is a part of our body. Next is DIP, dip. When you put something in a liquid for a quick or sudden moment, it is known as dip. Next is ZIP, zip. You know students what a zip? Zip means you can say that zip of a pant, zip of a jacket. That means it's the chain. Next is RIP, rip. Rip means to forcefully or tear something or pushing is known as rip. Next is SHIP, ship. You know this meaning of this ship is a vehicle used in water transport. It is used for carrying people or goods from one place to another. Next is FLIP, flip. Flip means to open or close in a quick and sudden moment. CLIP, clip. You know students what a clip? We use clip in our clothes to tie them up, or we clip in our hair. Those are known as CLIP, clip. And our last word is CHIP, chip. Chip means when we break something or when we cut something, the small piece that comes out when we break and cut something is known as CHIP, chip. So students, write all these words in your copy, and you can see over here that the last two letters of each and every words are IP, INP, and these letters are common in each and every words. So we can also call these as rhyming words because it also hears same. So now students, you will write all these words in your copy and you will learn them very well, okay? And if you have any doubts or any problems regarding these IP words, you can contact me. Thank you.